Good morning, students. Welcome all. In our last video of the economics, we had studied that what is the elasticity of the demand, the basic meaning of the elasticity of the demand, and the types of the elasticity of the demand. Now, in today's video, we are going to start the determining factors of elasticity of demand. On the page number 53 in your book, open up your book. On the page number 53, there is given determining factors of elasticity of demand. Determining factors Here, let's once recall the meaning of elasticity of the demand. What is the elasticity of the demand means? It means the changes occurs in the demand because of the changing in any other factor of the goods. For example, if there is a changes in the price of substitute goods, what is that effect in the demand of that particular goods? That is called the elasticity of the demand, which we already know. Now, the determining factors of elasticity of the demand, which factors are effect to decide the elasticity of the demand. So, in that, the first is given. The following are the determining factors of elasticity of the demand. First is the type of commodity. Here, the first is given the type of types of goods or types of the commodity. The goods which is used by you, how that effect according to the type of the goods on the elasticity of the demand. In that, the first is given primary or essential commodities. In that, or in the elasticity of the demand, the first is given type of commodity. In the type of the commodity, the first is primary commodities or primary goods. Primary goods or primary commodities. If there is change in price of these primary essential commodities, there is no effect on the demand of these commodities. It means which type of the commodities are primary commodities. Primary commodities are those commodities or primary goods are those goods which is inevitable to live or life. For example, food, clothing and shelter. If we say in Gujarati માં એવું કહેવાય કે રોટી કાપડ એટલે કે કપડા અને મકાન. રોટી કપડા और મકાન, આ જે ત્રણ વસ્તુ છે, these three things are basically needs in every human being's life. So if the price of anything which is primary commodity, if the price goes rise, there is no effect on the demand. If price goes down, at that time there is no major change in the demand of the commodities. Why? Because the primary things are that things, or primary goods are those goods who needs whatever the price are. Every human being needs clothes. Every human being needs food to survive in the world. So, if the price of the foods or price of the goods or price of any clothes increases, there is no major changes occurs in the demand of the primary goods. Example given: grains, salt, etc. If the price of these commodities goes up, the demand does not decrease much. It means if the price of that particular commodities will increase, there is no major changes occurs in the demand of that particular things. Thus, these primary essential commodities are price inelastic. We already know the meaning of what is the elastic demand, what is the inelastic demand, what is the perfectly elastic demand. These all things are known. So these primary essential commodities are price inelastic. These all commodities are price inelastic. There is no change occurs in the demand if whatever the price goes up or price goes down. The next things in the types of the goods are luxury goods. Luxury goods are not necessary for demand. If their price goes up, their demand decreases. But people want to buy such goods. Luxury goods are basically elastic. Why? Because most of the luxury goods are not necessary for living the life. For example, if any person needs any luxury cars are not required to live life. So that's why if any price of the luxury goods will increase, there is no effect in the demand of that particular commodity. For example, if we take an example, in the law of demand, there is says if the price of any commodity will increase, the demand will decrease. But here, if the price of luxury goods will increase, the demand will also increase, because there all the customers of the luxury goods sees the particular goods as a attitudinal or as a luxurious goods. If their price goes up, their demand decreases, but people want to buy such things. If price goes up, then also people want to buy their luxury goods. They have the desire to buy these goods if possible. If they are able to purchase the goods, they desire to purchase that particular goods. That is the reason why if their price decreases, demand increases quite substantially. Example given: Maruti Steel car, radio, good quality clothes, color TV, etc. These examples are very old. In today's era, radios are not even available in the market. So there is a radio is not a luxury good. Even color TV is not also luxurious goods in a recent time. If we take an example of luxurious goods in today's, then you can take example any particular goods or any goods which is really a luxury. For example, Audi car, BMW car. These are the example of luxurious goods. If we take an example of clothes, any particular brand like Levi's, like Louis Philippe, these all things are luxurious goods. Radio, television, color television. In today's time, these all things are not luxurious goods. So, if the price of BMW car will increase, say for example, if the price of BMW car or any other luxurious car will increase, most of the customer tries to purchase that particular things. Here, you can take example of Apple. You can take example of iPhone. If the price of iPhone will increase, most of the customer willing to buy the iPhone. And if the say for example, after 6 months, if the price of Apple phone will decrease to 12,000 rupees, what will happen? There is a very few luxurious customers are there who willing to buy the Apple phone, who willing to buy the iPhone. The next is given. It must be noted here that whether the things are essential commodities or luxury goods depends on the buyer. Example given: motor car is a luxury for ordinary people, but for a doctor with a large practice, it is necessary. Here you also taken into mind if any one things are common, that is maybe for one person it is necessity, for another person it is a luxury good. For example, if we take an example of any Bollywood actors, say for example any actor Nawazuddin Siddiqui. For Nawazuddin Siddiqui, all car are necessity, because according to their status symbol, this is required, this is necessity. But if we take an example of the ordinary people, like all the jobber, all the common men, these all common men, for those the Audi car or the BMW car is a luxury goods. So according to the people, the types of goods also changes. Thus it can be said that the same things can be primary essential commodity or luxury item. The things could be same, but the types of that goods would be different for the other person. कोई एक व्यक्ति માટે કોઈ અભિનેતા હોય, કોઈ ક્રિકેટર છે તો એના માટે કોઈ લક્ઝરી કાર છે તો એના માટે જરૂરિયાત છે. યુવરાજ સિંહ છે, સચિન તેંડુલકર છે, મહેન્દ્ર સિંહ ધોની છે, વિરાટ કોહલી છે, આ બધા વ્યક્તિઓ માટે જે કાર છે એ શું છે તો કે એ જરૂરિયાતની વસ્તુ છે. એ સામાન્ય કારમાં જાય તો this is not right for that person, because it is it shows the status symbol of that particular person. હવે આ જ વસ્તુ BMW કાર કે Audi કાર જે સામાન્ય વ્યક્તિ છે કે જે જોબ કરે છે, જે સામાન્ય જોબ કરે છે, for those these things are luxury goods. Now go to the third type of the commodity, that is substitute goods. Substitute means અવેજ, એકના બદલે બીજું. There are certain things for which substitute can be used. For example, sugar, jaggery, etc. They can be used as substitute for one another. If there is any substitute goods are available, at that time it is called the for example, if in any goods, if you will not get one thing and in comparison to that goods, if you will get another goods, it is called the substitute goods. એકના બદલે બીજું તમે ઉપયોગ કરી શકતા હો તો એમને substitute goods કહેવાય. For example, if you want to purchase shoes, but you cannot afford the shoes, at that time you can also purchase the chappals or any other things. These both things, shoes and chappals, can be used as a substitute. If price of sugar goes up, here you have given the example of sugar and jaggery. Jaggery means ગુજરાતીમાં એમને ગોળ કહેવાય. તો જે ગોળ છે એ people may use jaggery more. On the other hand, if the price of the sugar goes down, the use of sugar goes up in place of substitute goods. Here you can take example of tea and coffee. For example, nowadays the price of coffee is very high in comparison to the tea. So there is very few person who afford or who can give priority to the coffee, because most of the Indian are drinking tea nowadays. But what if the price of the tea will increase very high in comparison to the coffee? At that time, most of the people will prefer coffee instead of the tea. So, if the price of the one goods increases, at that time the other goods which is substitute will decrease. The substitute goods have price elastic demand. So, according to the example, you can say that the price of substitute good is elastic in the demand. The fourth is given the commodities whose purchase can be delayed. Purchase can be delayed. The things whose purchase can be postponed or delayed have elastic demand. If the price of such goods goes up, their purchase can be postponed. If there is any goods which purchase can be delayed but which purchase can be postponed, that has a elastic demand. For example, there is a number of things available in the market and available in your life also, which purchase can be delayed for some time. For example, in any economy. If you want anything which can be postponed, that has elastic demand. Here you have given one example. As a result, their price goes up. Example given: shoes, bicycle, ball pen, etc. These all things are that things which can be postponed for some time. If you have shoes and you want to buy another shoes, and that shoes is already in a good situation, at that time you can postpone the purchase of that particular things. So according to the law of the demand, price elasticity of that particular demand is a elastic. The next is given things that can be used for various purpose or multi-purpose good. The multi-purpose goods have price elastic demand. If the price of such good goes up, it is used less for less important purpose. If its price goes down, it is used more for all purposes. For example, if any goods has a more than one purposes. For example, if we take an example of lights, lights have a number of purposes. For example, if the price of electricity will increase, we will use less electricity, and the price of the electricity will decrease, will reduce. At that time, we will use the less electricity. So the electricity has the multi-purpose things. In here, we can take another example also. If there is any goods which has more than one use, for example, two-wheeler. Any two-wheeler also has multi-purpose. For example, many persons use two-wheeler for the regular life, for the work or any other things. But many people also use two-wheeler to another, for example, any other purpose also. So here you can take any example which things or which goods have more than one use, and if any goods available in the market which has a more than one use, at that time the price or the demand of that particular things is a elastic demand. Example given: use of electricity can be made for many purposes. As we take an example of electricity has many purposes. At that time, therefore, its demand is price elastic. So you can say that the demand of the particular thing is a price elastic. Very precious or costly articles. The next is given. Costly or precious items like diamonds, rubies, gold are purchased by rich people only. Therefore, even if their price go up, there is no reduction in their demand. The demand of such goods is price inelastic. It means if there is a precious goods which is rarely available to the common people, the demand of that particular goods is a price inelastic, because whatever the price will go up or down, there is no effect on the demand of that particular things. For example, if we take an example of diamonds, the precious diamond will only purchased by the rich people. Normally, ordinary people will not afford the price of the diamonds. At that time, if the price of the diamond will increase, there is no effect on the demand of the diamond, because only few person, only rich person will accept the purchasing power of that particular articles. So if there is any goods which has a precious or the status symbol, at that time the demand of that particular things are price inelastic. There is no any change of the increasing or decreasing of the price on that particular things or on that particular demand. The next thing is very cheap good. Cheap means the price of the goods are very low. सस्ता जे होय ए. Very cheap goods like pens, needles, matches, postcards, etc. are demanded inelastic. Because if the price of salt will increase, there is no major changes occurs in the demand of the salt. If the price of the matches will increase from 50 paisa to 1 rupee, there is no major changes occurs in the demand of the matches. These things are so cheap that the risk in the price adds very little in their expenditure. Thus, consumer do not worry about the rise in the prices. That is the reason why even if the prices of such goods go up, demand does not decrease. It means if there is anything which price is very low, at that time if the price of that particular goods will increase, there is no major changes occurs in the demand of that particular thing. So here you can see that the very cheap goods have inelastic demand. With the price of the commodity will increase or decrease, there is no major changes occurs in the demand of that particular goods or particular commodities. The next is demand for medical treatment. Demand for now, usually it is believed that medical treatment is demand inelastic because medical treatment is inevitable and essential service. But this is not only true. In rich countries, their demand is price inelastic, but in poor countries where medical services are cheaper, there is an increase in demand. Many poor patients get benefits of medical treatment at cheaper rate. Thus, in poor countries, medical treatment is demand elastic. As we know, what is the elasticity or what is the inelasticity at that time, we can say if there is any changes occurs according to the price, that is elastic, and if there is any no changes occurs of the price on that particular goods, that is inelastic. So medical treatment in a rich company, there is a very inelastic because there is no any changes occurs in the price or in the demand of the particular things. If price of that particular things will increase or decrease. But in the poor company, in the poor country where any price of the medical treatment will decrease, at that time there is a number of patients who are poor will treat their loved ones. At that time it will become elastic. So medical treatment has two elasticity of demand. For the rich company, it is the inelastic because there is no changes whatever the price of that particular medical treatment. But in the poor country where all the persons of that country will not afford the treatment, at that time if the medical treatment price will go down, at that time there is a number of patients who are ready to treat themselves. In those type of company, in those type of country, the demand of the medical treatment is elastic. Now the next point, which is importance of goods in the consumer's budget. The first one is type of commodity. The second one is importance of goods in the consumer's budget. Importance of Here, the first determining factors of the elasticity of the demand. In that, first we have studied the types of commodity. Now the second is importance of goods in consumers' budget. The place of commodity in consumers' budget means the expenditure on the commodity out of his total budget. It means if any person has a budget of 25,000 rupees per month, out of them how much rupees he wants to spend in any commodity, it is related with the consumer's budget. If out of the total expenditure, the expenditure on a particular commodity is a trivial, its demand is inelastic. Example given: salt, matches, pins, needles, postcard, etc. The demand for such goods is price inelastic. It means the budget which is spent on any particular goods, if that particular goods expenditure will accord is a trivial. Here the word is given trivial. What is the trivial? એટલે કે ટ્રાઇવલ એટલે કે જે ત્રિગણી હોય એવું, અથવા તમે એવું કહી શકો અહીંયા એવો અર્થ કરી શકો કે જે બહુ ઓછું હોય. If the budget on any particular goods is a very less, at that time the demand of that particular goods is inelastic. In the first para there is given the place of commodity in consumers budget means the expenditure on the commodity out of his total budget. For example, in any goods, any person has a 25,000 rupees budget, and out of them, for example, he wants to ready to expend 5,000 rupees on any particular goods. So this becomes the thing. This becomes the price elastic demand. If these things are related with the goods, at that time you can take example of types of commodity also. So these are the basic things. If out of the total expenditure, the expenditure on particular commodity is trivial, it means whatever the expenditure which is very less, its demand is inelastic. Example given: salt, matches, pins, needles, postcard. It means the very cheap goods, cheaper goods which does not have much prices, that type of goods have very inelastic demand. The demand for such goods is price inelastic. So here you can say that the things which does not have much prices, at that time that particular things, that particular goods is a price inelastic in the comparison to the demand. So these are the basic things related to the determining factors of price elasticity of the demand. In our next video, we are going to study the element of time. In the element of the time, there is a main three things are given: the durable goods, the time for habit formation, what are the habit of that particular things or that particular goods, and the third is ignorance of consumers. If the consumer are important for their commodity or particular consumers will ignore, according to that what are the elasticity of the demand, it will be studied in our next video. Thank you.